Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gold prices returned on Friday as hawkish comment on interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve outweighed optimism oversight of calling U.S. inflation was down 0.1% and 7,088 an ounce, while held around $1 million still bought instruments were set for mild gains this week, marked by a sharp fall in the dollar. But overnight comment for Fed officials on the path of policy detaining keep investors uncertain over future interest rates. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly said the was open to a 75 basis point rate hike in September, noting that inflation still remained around 40 years high. Chicago Fed President Carlos Evan also said this week that the Fed will need to raise rates to at least by the year end to combat U.S. benchmark rates are currently between 25% to 25%. Their comment offset optimism over an unexpected fall in U.S. producer price inflation in July. In data showed on Saturday, this came after a reading on Wednesday showed consumer price inflation remained static throughout July after rising exponentially early in the year, while both readings caused a pullback in the dollar index. Investors remained uncertain over the path of U.S. monetary policy this year, given that there is more inflation and employment data due before the Fed next meeting. Treasury yields also rose the week's. Pieces of the precious metal reflect this trend. Platinum futures fell no 6%, while silver rates no 4%. Among industrial metal, copper futures fell no 3%, as concerns over slowing manufacturing activity across the globe continues to weigh on the red metal. While copper is set for a mild weekly gain on weakness in the dollar, it faces risk from a slowdown in major importer China. Rising COVID cases in some parts of the mainland are likely to trigger more loss in copper price. Oil prices were muted on Friday, but were hit for strong weekly gain on the back of easing inflation risks, a strong demand for gas, and the prospect of OPEC supply cuts. London traded rose 0.1%. In early Asia, trade to 99.38 a barrel as used, fell 0.3% to 94.08 a barrel as of 2038. Both contracts both contracts had surged over 2% on Saturday and were set to end the week between 4% to 5% higher. All biggest bout this week was data on Wednesday that showed US. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you.